guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing my 5,000 subscriber giveaway. So I recently did a 3,000 subscriber giveaway and I said that I would do another giveaway at 5,000 subscribers, so here I am. I ordered this package from Gentleman Squishies and I ordered it just for the purpose of this giveaway, so any extras that I get in here will go to the winner. But before we get into the prizes, I just want to say some rules. The first rule is you must be subscribed to this channel, and when you subscribe, hit the notification bell. The second rule is you must like this video. The third rule is that you have to comment down below what country you live in and why you want to win. Rule number 4, if you don't win, you may not unsubscribe or else you won't be eligible to win any other giveaways. And rule number 5, you must be following me on Instagram, but if you don't have Instagram, that is totally fine. Just comment down below a way that I can contact you, like for example, email. And if you did follow me on Instagram, comment down below your Instagram name and I will DM you there if you win. And this giveaway will end on October 27th. Now we're going to open this package and you're going to see the prizes. The first prize is this Squishy Fun Panda. This is super soft and it's got like a bit of a pop-up. And this is really cute. Here is the second prize of this giveaway. And it is a Kibru seal. And I got this design because I thought this one was just a little cuter than the pink one. And I do have one of these and I absolutely love it. And it smells like cherry detergent and is really squishy. The next prize is this already carrot. And this squishy is super duper soft and slow rising. Here is the next prize, and it's the new Hello Kitty Squishy Sweeps donut in the pink melody version. This is the new one, so it's really slow rising. Here's the packaging. And the last squishy is this Kibru Colossal Bread. And I also have one of these. And it's like super duper nice. It's of course super duper slow rising and soft. And the packaging is super realistic along with the squishy. The squishy is so realistic. And this smells like bread. And I totally recommend that you take this out of its packaging because it's just so nice. So for the extras that Jenna Lynn gave, which the winner will be getting all these extras. First is this panda clothespin. These 2 bags that you could put like squishies in. There's this like little bear one and it says the only one happiness. I think it's supposed to say happiness, but they forgot the I. And this cute little bakery. This little card, and it just says thank you on the back. This cute little Jenna Lynn squishy sticker. This other sticker. And these 2 other stickers. So those were all the extras. So that was it for the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and also subscribe down below. And I hope you enter this giveaway because these are some amazing squishies and extras also. So thanks for watching. Bye!